In this battle against COVID, our healthcare workers, our people who are dealing with the patients, dealing with the samples, are the most important resource that we have. And it's very important that we take care of their health every day in every action that they do. So starting from the way they start collecting the samples, we have to follow the ICMR guidelines. We have to follow the Ministry of Family and Health Welfare guidelines. So in that, they're regularly using PP suits, they're regularly using N95 masks, and all the samples are collected using the viral transport media, the VTM. So that's just the part when the samples are collected. But the second part comes in once the sample is collected, then how is it being transported? How safely it is being transported. So they are being put in triple layer packaging. They've been putting cool gel packs, which ensure that we have the right temperature for the samples as they get transported, and so that they reach the lab in perfect condition, and so that we can run proper analysis on those samples. Once they reach the lab, then they go straight into the negative pressure zone. In the negative pressure zone also, when the samples are brought out of the transport media, it's very clear that the people have to use N95 masks and PP suits out there, and also that those precautions are taken so that the people out there are completely protected. So that's how we are protecting the people who are dealing directly in the process of collecting samples as well as processing them. The other part of the work is also the other people who are working in the lab, and they are also valuable resources to us, extremely important workers in this battle against COVID. So regular temperature checks, regular checks on their symptoms of people who are walking into the lab. Even when patients walk into the lab, we also see how their temperatures are, and if required, they are led to another gate where COVID samples are taken in a separate booth. So that is the way we're trying to ensure that we are taking care of our health workers all the time in this battle against COVID. While that is happening, at the same time, we're trying to work with the administration and trying to see how we can ramp up our testing capabilities. So we're trying to ramp up. We have testing capabilities as of today in both Gurgaon as well as in Mumbai, and we're trying to ramp it up further in these two cities. Apart from that, we've started testing also in Salt Lake in Calcutta, and we are also setting up another testing facility in Jharkhand. So overall, we are trying to work with the administration, try to provide the best of support, at the same time trying our best to ensure that our health workers are protected all the time, because they are a very important resource in this moment, in this battle against COVID.